Hi everyone, welcome back to our English enrichment lessons for grade 2 with teacher Rick. So today we're going to start learning our Christmas song for this year. You already had the video last week. I hope you had the chance to watch the video and listen to the song. Okay, so our song is the 12 Days of Christmas. 12 Days of Christmas. And remember in the last video, I told you that the 12 Days of Christmas is the 12 days starting on Christmas Day, 25 of December, and the days until 6th of January. Okay, so the 6th of January is the day of the three kings, and it was when after Jesus was born. So Jesus was born on the 25th of December, and 12 days after, on the 6th of January, the three kings followed the star and visited Jesus and gave him some presents, some gifts. So the 12 days of Christmas is about these days from Christmas Day, 25th of December, to 6th of January. It's called the Epiphany, or the visit of the three kings. Okay, so we're going to start this lesson with the 12 days. Okay, so you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you already know the numbers, right? So today we're going to learn and to practice the ordinal numbers. So the ordinal numbers is when you want to have an order in the numbers. So, for example, if you have a race, the number 1, we say it's the first. Okay, first. And then you have the second, third, fourth, fifth. So this is when you have an order. It's not just a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's when you have, for example, in a race, who comes first? And then second, number 2 is second, number 3 is third. Okay, so in the song we have the first day of Christmas, number 1. Okay, so let's have a look at all these numbers. We call them the ordinal numbers. So number 1 is first. Okay, first. How do we write first? F-I-R-S-T. First. Okay, you could also write it with the number 1 and then the letters S-T. So if you see 1 with ST, you already know that it's first. It's not 1, it's first. Okay? So now let's just practice the word. Repeat after me. First. Good. One more time. First. Okay, that's it. So first is the number 1. Then we have, for number 2, we have second. Second. How do we write second? S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. You can also write like with a number. So you write the number 2 and then the letters N-D. So the 2 last letters of second. 2, N-D. You know that this means it's second. It's not the number 2, but it's second. Okay? Let's just practice the word. Repeat after me. Second. Good. One more time. second. Okay, that's it. So we have first, second, and then we have third. Third for number 3. So third, how do we write third? T-H-I-R-D. Third. And you can also write it just like with the number 3 and then the letters R-D. So if you see 3 with R-D, it means that it's third. It's not the number 3, it's third. Okay? Let's just practice. Here you have the TH from 3, okay? Put the tongue between your teeth, okay? Third. Good. One more time. Third. Okay, that's good. So first, second, third, and then it's very simple. All the other numbers you have just like the number, and you have just to put TH at the end, and TH with the sound, okay? Remember, tongue between your teeth. So for number 4, we have 4 with TH. So we have F-O-U-R-T-H, or just the number 4 with TH. Fourth. Good. So here, don't forget to put the tongue. So you just say 4 and then fourth. Good. Just one more time. Fourth. Okay, very good. That's it. So fourth. And then for 5, you have fifth. Fifth. So fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Okay, so here you change the VE for another F. Fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Fifth. Good. One more time. Fifth. Okay, that's good. Then for number 6, we have 6 with TH. S-I-X-T-H. Sixth. Sixth. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Sixth. Good. One more time. Sixth. Okay. And then for number 7, have 7 with TH. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. Seventh. Seventh. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Seventh. Good. One more time. Seventh. Okay, that's it. So 7th, and then we have 8. So 8, but with the TH, okay? 8th. 8th. Good. One more time. 8th. Good. That's it. After the 8, we have 9. 9 with TH. N-I-N-T-H. Ninth. Good. One more time. Ninth. Okay, that's it. Very good. And then we have 10 with TH. 10th. Good. Try to do the TH at the end, okay? Not 10. 10th. Good. One more time. 10th. That's it. Very good. And after 10, we have 11. So it's going to be 11th. One more time. 11th. Okay, that's good. And then you have 12th. 12th. Okay? Let's just practice here. 12th. 12th. Okay, very good. So here we have 12 days of Christmas. We're just going to see these 12 ordinal numbers, okay? But all the other numbers are pretty much the same. You just have to put the TH at the end. Okay, so let's just have a quick look at all of the 12 numbers again very quickly. So we have first, second, third, fourth, okay, don't forget the th, fourth. Then we have fifth, then sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Okay, so you need for the song all these ordinal numbers. If you've already watched the video, you know that the song goes, on the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Okay, so you do this for all the numbers. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, 1, and a partridge in a pear tree. Okay, so the song goes, first day of Christmas, the second day of Christmas, on the third day of Christmas, on the fourth day of Christmas. So now let's just practice the song, okay, and see all the words. We're going just to practice 4 or 5 lines of the song, okay? So let's start with this part. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let's practice. So here first, on the first day of Christmas. Good, one more time. On the first day of Christmas. Good, and then you have my true love, So you know what love is, right? So my true love. Good, one more time. My true love. Okay, good. So on the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. After we have gave to me. So gave is the past of give. Okay, so gave to me. Good, one more time. Gave to me. Okay, that's good. So now the whole line. Okay, let's give it a try. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. My true love gave to me. Okay, good. Well done. Just one more time. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Christmas, my true love gave to me. Okay, that's good. And so the song starts with just a partridge in a pear tree. So a partridge is a bird, okay? A kind of bird. You can see here in the picture. So this is a partridge. Let's just practice the word, okay? Partridge. Good, one more time. Partridge. Okay, that's good. So a partridge is a kind of bird. And the song says a partridge in a pear tree. So maybe you already know this. So a pear Pear is a fruit, right? So a pear, P-E-A-R, pear. So a pear tree is the tree that gives us pears, okay? Pear tree. Let's just practice the words. Repeat after me. Pear tree. Good. One more time. Pear tree. Okay, that's good. So now let's try and practice all the words together. A partridge in a pear tree. A partridge in a pear tree. Good, very good. So just one more time. A partridge in a pear tree. Okay, very good. So now let's try the whole first line. Okay, ready? On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. One more time. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me partridge in a pear tree. Okay? So now let's move on to the second line. So the second day or the second day. So on the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves. So a turtle dove is another kind of bird. Okay, you have the doves. The dove is a bird, and then you have different doves. So the turtle dove, you have the turtle, the animal. Okay, so that's another animal, sea turtle, and then you have the turtle dove. So the turtle dove, it's because of the things they have in the feathers, so we call them turtle doves. Let's just practice the words here. Repeat after me. Turtle doves. Good. One more time now with the 2, okay? 2 turtle doves. Good. One more time. 2 turtle doves. Good. So now with the whole line. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Okay, so now let's go to the third day. So on the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens. 3 French hens. So you already know hen. So a hen is a chicken. It's like a chicken. The hens are the females. They lay the eggs. So that's a hen. And then we have French. French. So French, it's because they're from France, the country. So you have France is the country. France. And then you have French for people and for the language. Okay, so like for England, you have England is the country. English is for the people and for the language. We say we speak English. Okay, or for example, America, you have America is the country, and for people, we have American. So French is for France. So you have the country, France, and then you have people and the language, French. So if they're French hens, they're hens from France, okay? So it's also a kind of special hens. So now let's practice here. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. Let's just practice the French hens, okay? 3 French hens. Good. One more time. 3 French hens. Good. And that's it for today, okay? Let's just stop here. So you already learned this part of the song. So now try to practice, okay? And you already know the song. So the song goes, you have to add always something. So let's just try and sing these 3 first days of Christmas all in one go, okay? And then you can practice at home. Ready? 1, 2, 3. On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. Okay? I hope you find this song funny. It's going to be funny to learn because you have to repeat. You have to always add something. 1 and then 2 and then 2 and 1 and then 3 and 2 and 1 and then 4 and 3 and 2 and 1 and 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. So I think it's going to be a challenge and it can be funny. So now practice the song, watch the video. I'm going to give you this week, there is no homework. You can just practice and try to sing the song. I'm going to give you the lyrics of the song, okay? So all the words so that you can try and follow and read the lyrics and learn the song, okay? So next week we will practice a little bit more and we will see the 4th and the 5th and the 6th and the 7th and the 8th and the 9th and the 10th and the 11th and the 12th day of Christmas. So that's for next week and the following week. That's all for today. Bye bye. Have fun and see you again next week with another video. Bye bye.